Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've noticed lately that my hair has been really dry and brittle, and I've just been trying to protect it as much as possible. And I know a big way to help that is to not use heat on your hair. So this week I've made it a goal not to use any heat on my hair and just use heatless curling methods to do my hair. As you can see, some of the methods turned out really well. I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So if you want to learn some methods on how to curl your hair without using any heat, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start with the TikTok favorite, the towel curls. I know some people also use a bathrobe tie. I don't have a bathrobe, so I actually just cut an old towel to make a big string like this. So if you don't have a bathrobe like me and you're going to cut a towel, the width of your towel impacts how your curls will look. So the shorter the width, the tighter the curls will be. So just keep that in mind when you're cutting your towel. I would guess mine is 2 inches. So these are going to be kind of tighter curls unless I wrap them more loosely, which I think I'm going to try to do this time. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to put your towel or your robe tie kind of in the middle of your head like this, and then you're going to just separate your hair into 2 parts. And I just like using a hair tie to tie off one side while I'm working on the other. Okay, so I'm going to start with this side, and you can start way up at the top if you want. I've done that before, and just how my hair is, they're not curtain bangs, but I have shorter pieces up at the front, and if I do them tight up here, then those pieces are just kind of crazy. So I'm actually going to start just a little bit down, just so that the curls will start right here. But what you're going to do, you're just going to start with this front piece of hair and just simply wrap it around the towel and keep adding in hair as you wrap. And then once it starts getting close to your ear, I'm going to start taking the back section and kind of divide my hair in 2 like this. And now I'm just going to make kind of a cross pattern with my hair over the towel. So you're not braiding with the towel, it's more just you're just keeping the towel in front, and with your 2 sections of hair, you're simply just crossing over and under, keeping the towel straight, if that makes sense. You just want to make sure these 2 pieces are twisting in opposite directions. Okay, and then once you get to the bottom, I just secure it with a little hair tie. There we go, and now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on this side. So again, I'm going to start just a little ways down before I start wrapping. Grab some of this front hair, add in a little more. Okay, I'm close to my ear, so now I'm going to split the rest of this hair in 2 and cross over and under the towel. And that is all we do for this. Now we just sleep and wake up with hopefully beautiful curls. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is now time to take out my towel curls and see how well they did. Right, just gonna unwrap them. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Okay, here's one side. Okay, so this is what they look like straight after coming out of the wrap. I'll probably brush them out a little bit and get these bangs looking a little better. But I'm seriously so impressed. I don't ever want to use a curling iron again. This is so much better. Yay, I love it. Okay, we'll try another method in a few days. Okay, we are back. We're ready to try our second method for heatless curls. Tonight I'm gonna try the tube sock method. I've never done this one before, so we will see how it goes. Okay, so from what I researched, you need 3 tube socks, and you're going to divide one section like up here and then 2 sections on the side. I guess I'll start with the top section. Okay, so I have my top section like this, and then I think you just roll it up like a curler in the middle of the sock. Which way do I roll it? Out? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, wait a minute. And then it said just tie the ends together in a knot. That can't be right, can it? That's definitely not right. Like that? Alright. And then tie a knot. It just rolls down. So far I like the first way better. This can't be right, can it? Okay, well I guess we'll see if it actually works in the morning. Okay, I don't really like this one though. Good morning, it's like 5:30 in the morning, so I'm talking kind of quiet so I don't wake up anybody in my house. I'm about to go to the gym. That's why I'm up, but I'm going to take these out before I go. I actually ended up taking these out and redoing them last night, so we'll see if it made a difference. Okay, not bad. I will say my hair's still a little damp. So, okay, but that's not bad. So what I did instead of rolling it from the bottom is I started up at the top, and then I just wrapped it like this and then tied it in a knot, and that seemed to work better. Okay, let's see this side. My hair is still a little damp, so I don't think it got the full curl, though I do think it curled it a little bit, so I think that one had potential. It wasn't the most comfortable to sleep in though, so I don't know if I'll do it again. But if I were to do it again, I would probably have dry hair and then just spray like some leave-in conditioner or something and then wrap it up. Alright, not a complete failure, but I'll try another way in a couple days. Alright, it is the next morning. I will admit, yesterday's was kind of a big fail. I think I just rolled them wrong to start off with, and then I took them out when my hair was still damp, so that one just didn't work, but also I didn't like sleeping with those in my hair like that, so probably won't try that one again. So last night I just sprayed a little bit of leave-in conditioner to just weten my hair a little bit, and then I just put my hair in simple braids for today's heatless curls. So we're going to take these out and see how they differ from the towel waves. Yay! I'm a big fan of braids. I really like the look of these. I feel like these are more like crimpy than the ringlets like the towel waves create. But I think both ways turn out super cute. Yay, my hair has been loving this week. 0 heat applied to my hair. Okay, so those are the 3 methods that I'm trying for this video. This was really fun, and I know there's a lot of other ways out there to do this, so let me know if you like this video, and maybe I'll make a part 2 with new ways to heatless curl your hair. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube. I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!